Alright, this is a short video on how to use network ads for platform like Adsterra, Etops, and Kadam. This most of these sites or affiliate network don't really filter traffic, and you can use network ads to grow your account, make money for yourself, or using uh, this method. So the sites I used is called Evadav. So this site is also a ad network site where you can become a publisher and also advertise your link or an offer, CPA offer, uh, your smart link as well. But one thing that is there is that these sites contain both traffic. All hard network have both good traffic and also both traffic, right? So first thing you need to do if you want to use sites like this to be able to grow your account, or you want to use it for to grow arbitrage, to do arbitrage, you need to be able to know how to filter your traffic, how to know the traffic that converts, and how to make sure that your account will be on safer side if you use site like this. One thing that is there is that it converts. First thing I did is to make sure I tested the traffic. So I tested the traffic by using uh, around $20 because I funded the account with $100. So the first thing I did is to make sure I used like $15 to $20 to test the traffic, right? So you can see how much it generated. So this is an account, and this is also another account, right? So that's over 2x, and we still have a little amount of money there to use on ads, right? So we still have another money there to use on ads, right? So this accounts belongs to different people, right? So what I use it, I manage it. They are both of the accounts, and use it for the campaign. So you can see, and as well you can see on the other account as well. So the first thing you are going to do to use something like this is to test the traffic. So how do you test the traffic? You don't come here to just drive uh, ads or drive traffic to your smart link. Yes. So one thing you need to know is that you need a prelander. A prelander will help you to uh, know the quality of the traffic. That's the first thing. So some people can click the prelander, or some traffic can click the prelander, right? So if they are both traffic, it will also try to reduce it. So the first thing you are going to do is to use prelander, and after that, after you have used prelander, then you need to know how to filter the traffic. And you can use sites like Bmob. Bmob is a tracker. So you can use Bmob to know the quality of your traffic, right? You will know the IP address, source ID, uh, and every other custom event. Are you getting me? So you will know other custom events that will help you to analyze the quality of your traffic. So I'm using this BMO to just test, or to just make sure I know the quality of the traffic. You can see no conversion, no revenue. So I'm just using it to test conversion. You can see now, like today now, I have gotten around 840 visits. And if you go to the Adsterra, you see 114 here, and for the second account you see 137 here. That means out of that 840, only 200 and something is a quality traffic, right? So you need to know how to use this site called Bimob. You can use any other tracker. We have Fulum and other tracker you can use to you can see the total numbers of traffic. So you need to know how to use this tracker before you can use something like this. Without a tracker, you coming here to drive traffic to your link will result your account ban. They will ban your account. They will ban your account. And you know Adsterra is very strict. Adsterra is very strict. When they say that your traffic quality is very low, you have a low score traffic quality, they will surely ban your account. So you need to filter the traffic before sending the link, before sending the traffic to your direct link. And by doing that, you will have a high edge of making your account stay active for a long period of time. And you can also miss the traffic. Are you getting me like that? So because even filtering the traffic will not give you 100% quality traffic, but ad network also know that it's not all traffic that are quality. Even if you use Facebook ad, you can still have little percent of the traffic which are bots. So you need to know how to filter the traffic. So the bots traffic must be very minimal, must be very small than the quality ones, right? So you can also mix the traffic with Facebook ads uh, when you know that you are already making profit. So you can also mix the traffic with Facebook ads to be at safer side. But you cannot come here to drive your to drive your to drive link what I want to say. So to drive traffic to your direct link without you using tracker. So this tracker, you create a campaign. You can see you create a campaign. So that campaign you have created, so you will now copy the link of the campaign. I'm just giving you the preview of how it works. This is not a full tutorial. So this link is what you are going to advertise, not the link from your Adsterra when you have created a campaign on how to do this. So you create a campaign. If you want to promote 2-3 accounts, you can create as many campaigns. So when you register, the first thing you need to do is to, so assuming you are promoting CPA marketing as well, you can come here. So this is what CPA marketer use to track conversion. So but since you are just want to track the quality of your traffic, assuming you are promoting CPA over, you will set up your affiliate network. Then you create an offer, that is the name of the offer you want to promote. Then you create traffic source, that is where you want to buy traffic. All traffic sources are here: Facebook, all other network, everything is here. Then after you have created your traffic source, you create campaign. All these ones, so you can create flows, you can create landings. So you create your campaign. So the main thing is to create affiliate network, to set up your affiliate network. Then create your offer, your traffic source you want to use for tracking, and you create your campaign. Are you getting me? You link your traffic source with your campaign, and you are going to set it up and start running. And the campaign link you are going to advertise will now be from this Bimob. So you are not going to use your Adsterra link directly. And that will help you to know the IP. You can see devices type, where the audience is clicking, OS faction, operating system faction, the browser. This custom event will help you to know any custom event you sent during the process of your. We do set custom event when we are doing campaign. So the country where people are clicking from, even if you target all all people in a region, right? if you target all people or geo in a, let's say in Africa, so this will help you to know the countries where the traffic is coming from, the ISP, mobile carrier connection, and everything you want to track. Are you getting me like that? So this is how you can do it properly. So coming here to set up the ads will make, they will ban your account. This or this site contain both traffic, but there are still quality traffic there, and you need to filter it very well. You need to filter. You need to know how to use. Uh, you need to know how to use tracker, and also embed codes that will filter both on your freelander, right? So I told you this is just a short video. I'm just here sharing some of the things you can also use for your uh, campaign to also earn as well, to make profit uh, doing arbitrage, right? So this doesn't work for monetag arbitrage because monetag filter traffic. So you come here to set it up for monetag arbitrage, you need to filter the traffic. Monetag also will filter the traffic. So then you will only make little or no profit. So this is just about the short video I just tried to make. And if there is anything you want me